Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is one of the interview question, how to query only three columns without using names. Suppose I have data frame like this and I have this many columns, and among these I want to select only these three columns. Okay, so that is one option. And second one is how to select, suppose from here to here. That means second, third, and fourth columns I want to pick without using column names. So this will see a demo how to achieve this. Suppose I have data frame like this. Okay, I have sales underscore collect CSV file. So this is the data types, and this is the data frame I have, and I have this many columns. Okay, and I listed down this how many rows are there by using df count, and number of columns by using df.columns, and how many columns. Okay, length of df.columns. That means total I have 15 columns. So what is our question is how to pick columns without mentioning column names. So I'm using index option here. So suppose I'm using select function and on top of df, and I'm using df dot columns. So if you see here df dot columns, what it gave us, it gave all the list of columns. Okay, this one, all the list of columns it given in the list. Okay, and here I am using index on top of this list. So I given colon 3. Okay, and so that means from index 0 to third index I want to extract columns. So our 0 index is id, first index, second index, and third index. So that means in among 15 columns, it will pick only these 4 columns. And if you run this one, so this we are getting. Okay. And similar way, suppose I want to pick columns from index 2 to 5. See, index 2, that is sub department underscore ID. This one, index 2, this is 0, 1, 2. So from here up to 5, okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our second index, sorry, this one, second one, no? So second index and third vehicle ID and fourth vehicle profile ID. So it giving 3 columns, okay, by using index option. So you can alter based on your requirement. And second method is how to select all the columns from a list. So that means first I am defining all the columns in one list. So among 15 columns, no, what are the columns I required? So here I required these 3 columns: ID, vehicle ID, description. So I defined one variable columns and I defined in list. So later I'm using df.select function and I'm using star.columns. So columns is this one, star columns. That means it will pick all these 3 columns. And I given limit 10. So I want to show only 10 rows. Okay, so it picked whatever I defined now list, it picked. Suppose I want to add few more columns. Suppose I will add average into this list. If you rerun this one, Yes, so this average is adding. So total 4 columns. So like this, you can add as many columns as per your requirement. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.